Right, today we're going to disassemble two pens. I've got a disassembly kit here. So first thing we're going to do is take the cap off, unscrew the ink, and starting with the cap, find the correct bar that will go down it. Hold it in our vice grips. Well, that one came apart easier. Nicely out. This one came apart much easier than the first one. The first one was a complete and utter disaster. None of these fittings would move out of their barrels. I had to cut off the ends, and this is completely destroyed. So the fittings on this one were obviously different than the fittings on this one, because these will not come out unless they're cut out. So what I intend to do with that first pen is probably not a lot. I don't know whether I want to put a pen back together on this particular wood. It's pretty manky. It was one of my first pens that I ever made, so I think they might just go in my spare parts box. This pen, on the other hand, I will redo. Now, I'm not going to show you the process. It looks shiny, but it hasn't got a super glue finish. So I'm going to do that, come back, and then we're going to reassemble this pen with my new pen vise. Okay, see you in a mo. And there we have it. Pen press works, so I'm pleased with that. So my lovely pen press.